Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I am trading 9 Apex accounts, and our bot trades one main account and then up to 20 more. So I have 9 accounts that we're trading this morning. I'm going to mute this and you can just watch. Our plan is to only make $300 a day, and that will get us through the evaluation. I've been making more than that, anywhere from $600 to $900, running 2 and 3 contracts, or 2 contracts but running 2 and 3 trades. I just turned it on. I usually trade the London market somewhere between 600 and 900 Eastern time. Get my trades and be done. I'm a little bit late. There was a lot of good trades before this, and I was up, but I didn't trade. So this shows all 9 accounts. You can see over here. They're all Apex accounts, but there's 9 of them. I'm going to remove this over here, or move it over. Right now I have the bars momentum, the institution indicator, which is showing possibly longer. May get stopped out here. I thought it would come down to the initial balance. Very bullish right now. So we had a losing trade right there. So we lost on all of them. You always want to have your positions tab open to make sure that everything closes out. When you're trading multiple accounts, you always want to make sure that you are closed out. So right now our next move would be up to the TP1. I really thought we would come down to at least the initial balance. So this one, I'm going to go ahead and run it up to here. We may go ahead and get our full target there. If we do, that'll make up for our loss and make it to where we can just have the 1 trade for today. Well, actually be 2 trades. 1 loser, 1 winner. If we get a push after there, it'd be great. We'll put our stop. See, we're 975, so that would be 275. Right there will be our target the bot would have gotten. So we'll have it up there, and then if it goes ahead and pushes above it, then we'll go ahead and put our target there. And if we come down and hit it, worst case scenario is we hit what the bot would have got anyway. Hopefully we'll push up to the TP1, and that will give us roughly 9 points. So that'll take care of the 3-point loss we had and give us 6 more, and then give us their trade for the day. That's all we'll need if we just push on up to it. When we get done with this, I'll go over the program, how it works, what we use, what bots we use, indicators, so forth. You can see I'm showing 4 accounts traded right now. Now right there we would have hit our target already. And what I'm hoping for is that we'll go ahead and push up over. A lot of times you're better off just leave the bot alone and just let her trade. But I think we will probably get that push up. Our indicators down on the bottom, the bar's momentum is showing long, and the institution indicator is showing long as well. The color bars on the Renko chart, the green, the bright green and dark green, that is the colors based on the institution. And the institution indicator, the way it works is it is showing, are the institutions buying or selling. Right now when it's bright green, that is the institutions really buying up. When it's orange, it is kind of like middle. They're not really buying or selling, they're just kind of hovering around. So it's a sign of a chop. Dark green is that the buying pressure is pulling back. The same with the red. The bright red on the bottom left over there, you'll see the bright red is heavy selling pressure, and the dark red is not as heavy. And then where it goes to orange, it's the chop. It's where they're not really doing anything. Right now we would already be, our target was hit if we had left it alone. I do believe this is going to push on up though, because our indicators down on the bottom, the momentum and the institution is really pushing. Once we get up over top of this a little bit, then we'll go ahead and put our stop in, and that way we can at least make the minimum. We should get a burst of volume right here. Here we go. So right now we're going to make the minimum. There we go. So we got it. So now we're at $600. That's our goal. So we're done for the day. We had one loser, and then we had this winner. Using the SPY money balance, that's what this is, and this is our initial balance. All of these indicators are included in the NinjaTrader suite that we use. So I'm done for the day. $600. We're going to go ahead. I'll show you one of the accounts. Let me get it up here. So we have all of our accounts here. You hide the account numbers. You don't need to see the account numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right there. So right here it is. They're all Apex accounts. $600 each. These actually got a little bit of slippage and got 625. So they're not going to be 100% exact. They're going to be a little bit off sometimes, but for the most part, they do stay the same. So there's $5,400 there that I made in that little video that you just watched. $5,400. So I'm going to go ahead and add 11 more accounts to this. I'm going to try to do it today. And let me show you how this works. We go in. Let me get this pulled up here. So you go to SpyMoneyLSE.com. If you watch any of my videos, you know what we're getting ready to talk about, but let's do it again. When you go here, you click on the Ninja Suite. When you click on the Ninja Suite, that'll open up and it'll tell you more about it. There's a little video right here you can watch to explain some things. And then you also have information here. And what it covers is all the indicators on the website you'll get for free. And you also get a lot of indicators that we don't even offer on our website that are here. And everything that I make, all the indicators and bots and so forth that I make, is all inclusive to the Ninja Suite. So you get it with one low price. There's nothing else to lease or buy. Once you get the Ninja Suite, you're good to go for everything. We actually have 4 bots now. I need to list the other one. There's a Beast Renko, which we just used. We used the SpyBot Renko. And then there's a Sweet Scalper, and there's one called Fire. Fire is real similar to the Renko bot, but a little bit of changes on the entries. We do live streams, live trading, live training. I do live training daily. Live trading, I don't necessarily do it every day, but I do live trading to show people how to trade. The Discord, that is where everything goes on. We talk about everything. I'm posting charts, news, call-outs, training. I tell you what bots I'm running, what settings I'm running, and so forth. So all you have to do is pay attention to the Discord, and for the most part, we'll do pretty good. The indicators, here's a list of some of them, some videos on bots and stuff. Down here at the bottom, it says click here to lease the Ninja Suite. When you do that, it will open up a shopping cart and you can get started. It is a 30-day lease. I do not sell any of the bots separately or anything. It's one lease. You get everything or you don't get anything. So the lease is really inexpensive. As you can see, $5,400 just on those 2 trades, and we're done. And the lease is more than covered on that. You could actually do 4 months of lease with that one trade, and that's all you have to do. So say you don't have the money to trade. Well, you can open up a funded account. The funded account, the one that I recommend, if you're wanting to make some fast money real quick and just fund your own account, YouProfit's your better one. But I have another video, and I'm making the new page right here, and it has the video included on it. But it explains the differences between these 3, and it explains why I prefer Apex over all of them, and doing the $20,000, $50,000 accounts. So whenever you click on this and you come down, right here it says you can get these for as far as through October 25th for $50, because I've got 70% coupon on my website. But this is the one that I would recommend you to get. You can trade 10 contracts. 10 contracts is plenty for probably 99% of the people. But if you have 20 of these accounts, it's like trading 200 at one time. So if we had had all 20 of these accounts open, then we would be up what, 12,000, or say 20 and 600 would be $12,000 right now. So that would actually be pretty good. And that's why I'm going to open up 11 more. I'm going to trade 20 at one time. Our bots will trade 1 account plus 20 additional accounts. So that helps you. Right here's the coupon. You can just highlight this and paste it in with your shopping cart, put that in, and you will save 70% off through October the 25th. So by doing that, that will help you out as far as getting started. If you have any questions, come up here to the Contact Us page and fill this out, put your questions in, or if you need to talk to me, just put your phone number and the time zone you're in. I have customers all over the world, and I can arrange a time that will work for you. You know, if I have to get up earlier or stay up later, whichever, I can do that. Let's get you taken care of. Once you get into the Ninja Suite, it's all good from there. We have great bots, and we have great trading, and we also have a new one coming out. I was hoping to already have it out. It's called Coastal, and it trades 100% price action. It's really good. So that one will be out, I'm hoping this week, but it's looking like it might be next week. I've just got some bugs in it that I need to make it right before we release it. But if you have any questions, then just let me know. Again, this right here is where we are. We would have actually had another winning trade right there. So on this one right here, yep, we would have had another winning trade there and possibly another one right here. But you know what you do is when you hit your goal, you stop. You don't keep trading. Most people fail because they won't quit trading. They just want to keep on trying to make money, and that's just not how you do it. The way I train is hit your goal and get out. This right here is very bullish. I don't know if I would have taken this short. I would be more apt to take this long than that short. But when you look down here, it's not looking real good. Our histograms are getting tighter and stuff, so it's not something we do. All of these indicators as mentioned before, are included on the Ninja Suite. You get everything. There's nothing else you have to buy or lease or anything. It's all included. And that's the whole part with a lot of companies, and we used to do it too, is once you get into something, it's always sell, sell, sell to where you keep buying. Well, we don't do that anymore. The only thing we do is let you use the products. We want to keep you as a customer, and we want you making money. So we supply everything for you and the training to use it as well. By doing that, that's going to help you in the long run, and it's going to keep you part of the program. And these bots work great. The indicators are excellent. As you can see, it tells you pretty much what to do. And as long as you follow suit with this and follow the rules we have 5 basic rules. They're real easy. And in a matter of 15 minutes, you can understand the rules, and you can look back and know if you should be turning on the bot or not. So again, we are at our $5,400 here, 9 times 6. So it's actually 54, 55, 25 is what we made today. So $5,525. It is 7:03 Eastern time on Thursday, October the 20th. That's where we are right now. And we're done. We just took 2 trades. And we would not have known to put that profit target there if we didn't have the balance. The balance told us where it was going, and that's where most people fail. They don't know how to enter. They don't know where to get out. That's why you fail. Well, our bots know when to enter, and they also know on average where to exit. But when you look at the indicator, you can move your target where you want, as far as the levels. And then once you get there, you can win more money. So right here's another one. Did we hit our 150? Yeah. So there's 2 more trades right there that you could have gotten. There's another, well, this would have been 300, and there's 600. You could have made 1,200 today. Again, hit your goal, shut it off, go about your business. I'm done for the day. I have nothing else to do as far as trading. That's all I need, and I recommend that to everybody. Don't just keep trading, because you're eventually going to get back to the market. And when that happens, you're going to be sick because you were up X amount of dollars. You hit your goal, you took another trade, and you lost. And right now, we are up our $600 per account, a total of $5,400. If you want to know how to do this, contact me or just lease the Ninja Suite. And once you get in, I will get you going to where I am today. And I hope this helps everybody. Have any questions, let me know. Be more than happy to help you. That's what we're here for, to help. Have a good day.